The Hirose GT50 series 1mm pitch wire-to-board connector saves space and weight while delivering rugged performance, ensuring stable power and signal connections in challenging agricultural, transportation, and automotive applications. GT50 connectors feature a dual-spring two-point contact design, an integrated stabilizer to suppress external vibration, and a robust lock and PCB mount. These design factors contribute to increased reliability in densely packed agricultural designs and other off-road applications, where high heat, constant vibration, and repeated shocks are normal. This rugged performance is complemented by the connector's small size, with 2 to 16 positions on a 1mm pitch, suitable for 28 AWG wire, resulting in approximately 75% lighter cabling and more flexible routing. The connectors are rated for up to 60 volts and 2 amps, providing connectivity for sensors, displays, lighting, and more.